Baking a cake is a joyous occasion. It fills the house with warmth and a lovely aroma. There is something truly special about creating something delicious from scratch. The moment you take a bite of that freshly baked cake, you know you've created something special. It brings smiles to everyone's faces. So, let's get started on our baking journey. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. We need some basic pantry staples for our delicious cake. For this recipe, we will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of granulated sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's make the batter. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a cake tin. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Then, add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk. Mix until just combined. Do not overmix. Finally, stir in the vanilla extract. Pour the batter into the prepared cake tin and spread it evenly. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the tin for 10 minutes before inverting it onto a wire rack to cool completely. To check if the cake is done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once cooled, you can decorate it simply with some icing sugar. Dust the icing sugar on top of the cake for a simple and elegant look. Enjoy your freshly baked cake.